Give your digestive system a break. Fasting is the best way and the fastest way to heal, rejuvenate, get rid of inflammation, to detox, and to lose weight. And the best thing is, guys, it doesn't require you to do anything other than stop eating for a while. Hi, I'm Marie, qualified naturopath, nutritionist, yoga and meditation teacher, practicing life coach with over 20 years of experience to share with you. Guys, you get up in the morning. You make a cup of tea or coffee. Maybe you have a piece of toast, a bowl of cereal. Mid-morning, you're having a snack. Lunchtime, you're having more food. Afternoon, you're feeling hungry. You have another snack. You make dinner, and as you're making dinner, you munch on perhaps whatever you're cutting up. You have a piece of fresh bread. You have a handful of crackers. This is all before dinner. And after dinner, oh, well, you want something sweet, maybe a bit of chocolate, ice cream. All day long, we're eating non-stop. Our digestive system is on overdrive. It never gets a break. We go to sleep. Your digestive system is still working on the food you ate for dinner. You get up in the morning. It's breakfast time, and the constant eating continues. But everyone tells you breakfast, that's the essential meal of the day. Wrong. This is total rubbish. You want to lose weight, give up breakfast forever. The problem is when the digestive system is working non-stop, it uses up so much energy that all of your other vital organs are not taking priority. So, of course, inflammation increases, and this is a massive health issue. You're probably bloated, you're feeling sluggish, the liver needs to detox, the kidneys need to filter your blood, the immune system needs to eliminate the threat of disease. Billions of new cells need to be created. When you take a break from eating for a minimum of 12 hours, the immune system gets to take a front seat and go to work on healing you from the inside out, getting rid of foreign invaders, healing, repairing, creating antibodies to fight specific antigens, monitoring the blood, cleaning up debris, keeping you strong and disease-free. Now, the liver breathes a huge sigh of relief and goes about its work to remove toxins, create bile for the breakdown of fats, heaps more other essential jobs, not forgetting the kidneys that require time out to balance our body fluids, remove waste from the body, control the essential production of red blood cells. And all of that happens way more efficiently, guys, if we can just not eat for a minimum of 12 hours on a regular basis. So that could be, for example, from 8 p.m. in the morning till 8 o'clock the next morning. Better than that is fasting for 18 hours. So you'd have dinner, let's say around 7 p.m. and have lunch the next day at 1 p.m. And this could be something you practice every day of the week long term. The 18 hours without food allows the body to repair itself, and in return, you will, I promise you, have more energy. You'll feel lighter. You won't be bloated or feel tired mid-morning. Now, you may get hungry for the first few days that you do this, but isn't that better than feeling really, really fat and sluggish? Now, word of advice, before you go on to a fast, you need to make sure you're drinking lots of water. And throughout the fast, have a big glass of water on a regular basis. So you can also really complement your fasting by drinking an electrolyte. Now, these guys are usually in the form of a powder containing essential minerals, including magnesium, potassium, sodium, and calcium. Okay, so what happens in the body when you fast? After your last meal, the readily available glucose in your body, that's used up. When it's all gone, your body has no choice other than to break down your fats, the triglycerides, then your liver converts these triglycerides into ketone bodies. And these are a fabulous alternative to glucose for energy and a really awesome way for the body to lose fat. Now, not only are ketones great for weight loss, they are highly beneficial to your major organs for the production of energy. Your cells become more resistant to stress. Fasting enhances a huge cell clean out of old non-functional cells, which not only reduce the inflammation, but prevent it from happening too. Inflammation, guys, is probably the worst thing to have in the body that prevents health and longevity. So essentially, your body is getting to recover. It's getting to build resilience and get rid of the disease. So in summary, the secret to massively healing your body is to intermittently switch between healthy eating meals and fasting for 12 to 18 hours in between meals, maybe 2 to 3 times a week. Now, it works. It works. Let me know how you go. Reach out. Love yourself from the inside out.